Good morning, everyone. As your second college president and one of the founders of our beloved school, allow me to give a brief history of La Concepcion College. She was established in the year 1998, catering nursery to second-year high school at Francisco Homes campus. The year 2000, College of Teachers Education began. The first graduation exercises of college teachers education with 60 graduates and graduation of high school batch 2006, where Francisco Jr. Magpantay was the valedictorian, and he said from his speech that, "Papa, one day you will be proud of me." And my son proved it by topping the librarian licensure examination conducted by the Professional Regulatory Commission of the Philippines. Due to the rapid increase of enrollees, KPN campus was opened on the year 2006, and on that year, College of Criminology began. Both programs were in demand. One of the reasons we were offering night classes. As time goes by, the population of enrollees increases. My late husband, Francisco C. Magpantay, was investitured as the first college president of La Concepcion College. He was so aggressive, very smart, and determinable to improve La Concepcion College as one of the best schools in our community. LCC buildings and modern facilities were erected. More programs were offered, resulting to expansion of campuses. The third campus was opened for College Department 2016, and La Concepcion reached her debut. And we celebrated with the theme of Tamang Panahon. With the guest was Aljor Abrenica, La Concepcion became popular not only in San Jose del Monte, but also to the nearby cities and provinces. Guided by our school's vision and mission, La Concepcion College produced intelligent, competent, skilled, and smart graduates in all programs. That CHED Region 3 Director sent congratulatory messages for the board passes of criminologists who gained higher percentage grades over the national capital of the Philippine Professional Commission. LCC has a consistent, excellent performance rating in all programs with PRC licensure examinations such as the teacher education, criminology, and BS psychology. I am proud that our graduates from teacher education were employed in private and public schools, not only in the city of San Jose del Monte. Halos lahat ng school dito sa San Jose del Monte ay may gurong graduate ng La Concepcion College. Marami na ring student assistant na graduate. Habang nag-aaral sila, ay nagtatrabaho sa LCC ng libre ang tuition fee. Mga license na rin sila at nauukol sa kanila lalo ang school philosophy na changing lives for the better you. The year 2017, Grandstand and Moson Campus were opened. Patuloy po tayong tinangkilik dahil sa mga loyal, committed, and expert na mga guro at mga empleyado. Ang huling buwan ng taong 2018, naranasan ko ang pinakamasakit na pangyayari ang pag-iwan ng aking asawa sa mga gusaling pinapagawa, hindi lamang sa isang campus, kung hindi ay sa lahat ng LCC campuses. Mayroon sa Francisco, 3rd floor. Sa Muson, 3rd and 4th floor. Sa Grandstand, sa 3rd campus, 3rd and 4th floor. At sa Sibas, ground and 1st floor. Kapag may koleksyon diretso sa bayarin, during his wake, nagpunta ang mga maniningil. Dumalaw din ang mag-asawang Miller na may-ari ng bangko kung saan may utang kami. Si Francis ay umiiyak. Nagsabi na, "Mama, hindi pa namin kayang patakbuhin ang LCC. Please, palakasin mo ang loob mo." Gayon din si Sir Bunyag. "Ma'am, umaasa po kami sa iyo," sabi niya. Mahigit 2 taon na dinibdib ko ang pagpanaw ng aking asawa. March 10, 2020, dumating ang pandemic at ang La Concepcion College ay hindi nakaligtas. Nagsara ng mahigit 5 buwan, ang mga authorities ay nag-implement ng distance learning, the teaching modality na pure online at modular. Si Mr. Francis ang nag-conduct ng training at tinuruan kami kung paano gamitin ang mga platform. 2 taong pure online were done. Even graduation exercises were executed online. Salamat naman, noong July 2022, inalaw na ang commencement exercises in person. At noong opening ng school year 2022-2023, ay inalaw na rin ang partial na face-to-face classes na blended combination ng online at face-to-face classes. Today, we are celebrating the 25th founding anniversary of La Concepcion College na itinaon natin sa kaarawan ng unang presidente ng La Concepcion College, the late Honorable Francisco Magpantay, na may temang LCC at 25th, Lead Empowering Change. Ang festivities na ito ay gaganapin sa June 3 to 6, 2023. I am proud to announce my accomplishments as your second college president as follows. 1, natapos ang partial na building sa Muson at pati Bakod, matatapos na. 2, tapos na ang 3rd and 4th floor ng 3rd campus at nalagyan na ng Venetian blind. May apartment pa at kasalukuyang ginagawa ang 3rd and 4th floor para sa computer laboratory ng college at kusina ng HM. 3, sa Sibas, sa ground floor, ang kantin at ang isang classroom ay tapos na. Sa Francisco Homes, natapos na ang 3rd floor at may ginagawang 3-story building, commercial at classrooms. Sa Grandstand, natapos ang gawaing iniwan ni Busing, may apartment at covered court, first phase pa lang. 6, nakapag-install ng 3-phase for electrical supply sa 3rd campus and publishing. 7, ongoing ang pagpapapintura sa mga school buildings sa paghahanda ng enrollment academic year 2023-2024. 8, achieve the recognition permit of civil engineering. Siyam, teachers team building sa Bataan after foundation ay planong gaganapin. 10, under negotiation na sa plenary hall ang graduation na venue ng mga college graduates batch 2023. 11, my plan is to apply Bachelor of Architecture again. I applied before, but it was denied. 12, another target is to apply medical courses such as midwifery and nursing. Ang sa school accreditation, buhay pa si Busing, tinarget na namin yan. Kahit yung program na magaan lang ang requirement. We consulted already to the expertise regarding this matter. What LCC need is to have at least 9 doctorates. As of now, we are just 5 doctors in our beloved school. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nito ay you are not necessary in running La Concepcion College. I encourage you to pursue your graduate studies. I hired you because I trust you. I needed you. I acknowledge your performances and services, especially to our director and assistant director of all the persons involved in the preparation of this event. I salute you all. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating Panginoong Diyos sa lagi niyang paggagabay sa ating mahal na LCC at sa ating lahat. Batiin natin ang ating sarili. Ang tamang panahon ay nananatili at lumalawak pa rin sa ating lahat. Happy 25th anniversary to all of you. Thank you. I, Dr. Loreto Filion Magpantay, your college president. I am proud LCCian.
Greetings to everyone. I am privileged to be the eldest child of the esteemed LCC founder. It is often shared that LCC name originates from my own, as I was born on December 8, coinciding with the feast day of Immaculate Conception. What does LCC represent over the past 25 years? We embarked on this journey from humble beginnings, fueled by a dream that has now transformed into a resolute goal. With a modest initial enrollment of 16 pupils in 1998, we were driven by the fervor of the champion, my parents' vision of providing affordable yet uncompromising education through unwavering perseverance. The first 5 years presented us with numerous challenges, from managing the school and enhancing facilities to building strong relationships with parents, fostering faculty development, devising recruitment and marketing strategies, and ensuring the fair compensation of our teachers. We even resorted to borrowing funds solely to honor our commitment of paying our educators in full. However, despite fierce competition from other institutions, this adversity served not as an obstacle but as a catalyst for our unwavering mission. Upon completing my bachelor's degree, my mother encouraged me to pursue additional education units to contribute and devote myself to our beloved school. I had the privilege of experiencing the role of a classroom and subject teacher, both in the grade school and high school departments. Inspired by the wisdom of our late Dean, Dr. Costales, I ventured into graduate studies, driven by his guidance and aspiring to become a future principal. Today, thanks to his invaluable counsel, I stand in my current position equipped with a license as a professional teacher, pursuing an advanced master's degree, and now on the path towards a doctorate. Dr. Costales, I am forever grateful for your transformative advice, which has shaped the person I have become. My parents exhibited tremendous courage and determination in all aspects, even when seeking financial assistance to improve our facilities and expand to different branches. Through their unwavering resolve and tireless dedication, we transformed the darkest of nights into radiant days, meeting every financial obligation head-on. And behold, our desired achievement, La Concepcion College has flourished, leaving an indelible mark. Wherever you set foot, you will witness individuals adorned in our distinguished uniform, and we have proudly witnessed countless graduates thriving on a global scale within their chosen careers. Papa, your resolute spirit as one of the founding pillars has given birth to this extraordinary legacy, a testament not only to our family, but to the lives of our fellow countrymen. Through LCC, countless lives have been transformed, granting employment, opportunities, and the fulfillment of educational aspirations. I must also acknowledge the unwavering dedication of our mother, who now serves as our esteemed school president. Mama, your unwavering commitment to shaping our future generations continues to inspire us all. As we celebrate LCC Momentous 25th anniversary, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering trust and steadfast support. Let us forge ahead together, fellow parents, to realize the dream of transforming LCC into a distinguished private university within our city. Together, let us actualize the dreams and aspirations and vision by our revered founder. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. During our school's jubilant celebration, an array of captivating activities awaits you. I wholeheartedly invite you once again to extend our invaluable support. Let us unite and reveal in this joyous education. May La Concepcion College thrive and prosper for generations to come. May we all flourish and triumph together. Mabuhay po ang La Concepcion College. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. I, Noemi F. Magpantay, the Vice President for Administration and the Head of Teacher Education Division, the Principal of Francisco Homes Campus, and I am proud LCCian.
Paano ko nga ba alalahanin ang La Concepcion College? O paano ko nga ba sisimulan o babalikan ang kasaysayan nito? 25 taon. Hala, ganun na pala ako katagal. Ganun na ba talaga katagal ang La Concepcion College? Sa pagkakatanda ko, Little Angel Daycare Center lang ito noong 1997 at naging La Concepcion Learning Academy noong 1998. Nagsimula ako noon sa pagiging ordinaryong magulang na may 2 anak na nag-aaral sa La Concepcion College. Tamang-tama sa pagbubukas ng preschool na mag-asawang magpantay sa kanilang unang campus sa commercial building sa 2nd floor ng Francisco Homes. At ang kanilang guro ay si Miss Nancy Magkilat na may 16 na mag-aaral. Karaniwang nanay lang ako noon ng aking anak na nag-aaral sa kinder na si Daniel Louie. At nagkataong minsan na wala ang kanilang guro at kinausap ako ni Ma'am Loreto kung pwede daw ba akong pumalit pansamantala sa klase ni Ma'am Nancy. Kaya naman lingid sa kaalaman ninyo, ako rin po ay nagtapos ng kolehiyo sa kurso ng edukasyon sa Assumption Sapang Palay. At simula ng araw ng iyon, nagsimula ang aking kwento bilang isang guro ng La Concepcion College. Naging saksi ako sa pag-unlad nito. Pagpasok ng sumunod na taon, nag-umpisa ang pagtatayo ng mas malawak na pangarap ng magpantay. Mula sa Little Angel, La Concepcion Learning Academy, hanggang naging La Concepcion College. Ang unting-unting pangarap ay lumaki at umusbong na sa 3 malalaking campuses. Naalala ko pa noon, gumawa ako ng hymn para sa LCC dahil ito daw ay kailangan para makilala ang LCC. Katuwang ko lamang noon ay isang mag-aaral ng LCC na marunong maggitara na si Archie Pino. At ang aming itinuro sa mga bata. Nagsimula lang kami sa iilang bata per grade level. Kasama si Sir Francis at si Ma'am Minerva na naging mag-aaral ko din. Dahil hindi ko ganun kadami ang bata, minsan ay multi-grade ang aming pagtuturo. Ang Francisco Home Campus ay siyang naging unang campus ng LCC na may iilang kwarto na hinati-hati para magkaroon ng silid ang mga kinder hanggang grade 6. May mga pang-umaga at may panghapon noon. Alam niyo ba na simula ng itatag ang LCC kapag bakasyon ay umiikot kami ni Bossing magpantay, gamit namin ang kanyang stainless na jeep na parang namimigay ng flyers para may dumami ang aming estudyante. Tuwing nga mag-uusap kami ni Sir, laging sinasabi niya, sana Malu, balang araw dumami ang ating mga estudyante. Ang lagi ko namang sagot sa kanya, oo naman Sir, dadami din tayo. Kasama ko din noon si Ma'am Nancy na nakaupo sa enrollment na may libreng merienda, saan ka pa? Na nangangarap na dumami ang mga mag-aaral. At hindi nga kami nabigo. Dahil sa ngayon, libo na ang mag-aaral natin at ito ay yung mga naaalala ko na hindi ko makakalimutan na nagpapangiti minsan sa akin. Alaala na nagsasabi, ito ang LCC noon at ito siya ngayon. Hindi rin biro ang pinagdaanan ng LCC dahil sa iilang bata nag-e-enroll noon, kumukuha ng pambayad ng ilaw at ng tubig, pati bayad sa empleyado. Kapag kapus pa nga naniningil at pinipilita sa Bombay. Naguhugutan noon ng pambayad ay ang personal na pagluluto ni Ma'am Loreto ng pagkain sa mga mag-aaral. Madaling araw pa lang ay nagluluto na. Bago pumasok sa Paradise National High School, na kung saan siya ay guro, ay meron na siyang pagkain ihahain para sa mga bata. Dito pa lang makikita na natin ang pagiging isang ina ni Ma'am Loreto na inaasikaso muna ang kanyang mga anak bago pumasok sa kanyang trabaho. Katuwang po niya dito ang mabait at masipag nating si Bossing, Sir Francisco Magpantay Sr. Ganyan po kasipag at katyaga ang mag-asawa. Kaya naman hindi nakakapagtaka na sa pag-unlad ng LCC ay isa sa mga kakilalang paaralan dito sa bayan ng San Jose del Monte. Masayang balikan ang naalaala, ang nakaraan. Ngunit mahirap nang ibalik pa ang mga taong nakasama mo noon, magsimula ng LCC sa larangan ng pagtuturo. Marahil ay meron ng magagandang buhay at pamilya, ganon din ang mga estudyante ko na iilan sa kanila ay may maganda ng buhay. Ang iba ay nasa ibang bansa na, ang iba ay pamilyado na, at ang marahil sa ngayon, lola na ako dahil meron na din silang mga anak na baka nandito na rin sa LCC nila pinag-aaral. Hindi nakapagtataka dahil maging ang aking 3 anak ay dito na din nagtapos ng pag-aaral na may mga tinamong matataas na karangalan na ngayon ay mga natagumpay na din sa buhay at may kanya-kanya ng trabaho. Sadyang kay bilis ng panahon. Pati na rin ang pag-usbong at pagtibay ng La Concepcion College na siyang tumutulong sa mamamayang San Joseño na sa pamamagitan ng mabababang tuition fee. Ngunit may mataas na kalidad ng edukasyon. Isa sa mga paaralan na tumutulong sa mga walang kakayanang mag-aral sa pamamagitan ng pag-a-apply ng Study Now, Pay Later at sa pagiging student assistant. At ipinagmamalaki kong bahagi ako ng La Concepcion College sa loob ng 25 taon at sa susunod pang mga taon. Isa din sa pinagsisikapan ng ating paaralan ay ang pagkakaroon ng scholarship para sa mga junior senior high school sa pamamagitan ng pag-a-apply ng ESC. Hindi biro at hirap para makakuha ng ganitong scholarship. Pero dahil sa pagtutulungan ng ating mga guro, punong guro, at ng may-ari ng ating paaralan, ito ay naging posible at ngayon nga ay libo-libong mag-aaral na ang nakikinabang dito. At dagdag pa ang mababang tuition fee na abot kaya para sa mataas na kalidad na edukasyon. Dahil ang mithiin ng LCC ay makatulong sa mga magulang upang ang kanilang mag-aaral ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Sino bang hindi pagmamalaki ang maging LCCian? Naalala niyo ba ang kasikatan ng LCC, Drum and Live, sa ating lugar, na may naggagandahang majorette, na madalas ay naiimbitahan sa mga fiesta at maging ang kumpanya ng mga bilyar na pagpopromote ng kanilang mga subdivision. Siyempre, di rin kami padadaig sa pagkembot at paghagis ng mga baton nila Ma'am Minerva, Nadine, Lovely, Marinel, Anika, at ng aking anak na si Lynn. Kembot dito, kembot doon. Kahit pa sa palengking nakarating na sa Litex, ibinahagi namin ang ganda at husay ng mga drum and lyre at majorette. Toob ang lahat at sa tulong ni Sir Luis na siya ang naging katuwang ko para mas lalo pang hangaan ang LCC. Idagdag pa natin ang fancy drill ng C80 na ipinagkakapuri natin na taon-taon na inaabangan. Ilang championship na ba ang inuwi natin? Ilang puyat, pulikat at pagod na nilaan para dito. Siyempre, katuwang ko sa hirap ng ating butihing bossing magpantay para sa uniform. Ang talento ni Sir Luis na kahit kailan ay hindi niya ipinagkait na ibahagi sa mga drillers. Tatanda ako na lagi ko itong maaalala bilang bahagi ng LCC. Pero sabi nga nila, lahat ay nagbabago, lahat ay nagmo-move on. Masaya man o malungkot, ang mga alang-alang ito ay mananatiling bahagi ng ating buhay. Dahil aminin natin, dati din tayong naging LCCians. Napangiti, napaiyak, natulala, napasayaw, napamangha sa husay at galing ng mga LCCian. Ako po si Maria Luisa Estopase, magulang, kaibigan, guro, assistant principal ng Francisco Home Campus, and I'm proud LCCian.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Ginang Susan Pasquil mula sa HR Department. Bago po ako magsimula sa aking kwento, ay magbibigay lang ako ng konting history ng LCC. Ang La Concepcion College Incorporated or LCC na matatagpuan dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan ay naitatag noong taong 1998. Isang non-sectarian school na nag-o-offer ng preschool at di naglaon ay nagkaroon na rin ng elementary, junior high school, senior high school, vocational courses katulad ng TESDA at tertiary courses. Ang LCC ay pinamumunuan ng mag-asawang Francisco C. Magpantay Sr., Tubong Batangas, at Dr. Loreto F. Magpantay na Tubong Ilocos Sur. Hindi nakapagtataka na ang LCC ay magkaroon ng iba pang branch dahil sa kasipagan ni na Ma'am at Sir Magpantay. Habang pinapatakbo nila ang LCC, ay nagtuturo naman sa isang public school si Ma'am Lori at isang policeman naman si Sir Magpantay. Kulang man sa resources, ay nakapagpatayo sila ng 2 palapag na gusali, pang-komersyo na matatagpuan sa Barangay Nara, Francisco Homes, na may isang bakanting silid. Ito ay ginawang silid-aralan na may 17 mag-aaral na pinangalanan nilang Little Angels Daycare Center noong taong 1997. Ang kanilang unang guro ay si Miss Nancy Magkilat at siya ay tinulungan ni Ma'am Malu Estopase na empleyado pa rin ng LCC hanggang ngayon. Noong ika-28 ng Pebrero taong 1998, naging isang formal na paaralan ang daycare center at pinalitan ng La Concepcion Learning Academy or LCLA. Ipinangalan sa kanilang panganay na si Ma'am Noemi Magpantay na pinanganak noong ika-8 ng Disyembre na siyang kapistahan ng mahal na Immaculada Concepcion. Noong Pebrero taong 2001, una kong napuntahan ang La Concepcion College, isang payak na building na may maliit na classrooms sa loob ng isang subdivision. Napakalaking blessing ito sa akin dahil si Miss Margarita Robes, nakakilala ni Sir Magpantay, ang dapat nakukuning guro. Ngunit dahil sa graduating pa noon si Miss Robes, ay hindi niya ito tinanggap at sa halip, ako ang inirekomendan niya. Konting interview, tapos pinagturunan niya ako agad-agad at nakilala ko sila Ma'am Nancy at Ma'am Malu. Minigyan niya ako ng 2 advisory, grade 4 sa umaga at grade 6 sa hapon, na hindi naman mahirap turuan dahil konti lamang sila sa isang klase. Naging advisory at mag-aaral ko sila Ma'am Mines, Sir Francis, Sir Doy Santiago at Sir Romeo Hernale. Hindi mo talaga masabi ang panahon dahil ngayon ay katrabaho ko na sila dito sa La Concepcion College. Hindi ako nagtagal sa pagtuturo at nalipat ako bilang cashier at registrar at liaison officer. Dito ako natutong magproseso ng mga applications ng school permits sa tulong ni late Dr. Neb Costales, Ma'am Mary Kilantang at Sir Boyet Iduria. Tuwing exams at programs, si Sir Magpantay ang taga-Xerox at ako naman ang taga-pag-ayos at taga-bilang. Minsan pa ay ginagabi na kami hanggang makatapos. Taong 2005 ay nagplano sila Sir at Ma'am Magpantay na maghanap ng lote sa Quirino Highway. Una nilang nakita ay ang tabi ng Grace Hospital, ngunit hindi nag-prosper ang usapan. Naghanap muli sila at nakita nila ang Berganting Construction na noon ay pinaparentahan. Lahat kami ay buong suporta sa kanilang desisyon na magtayo ng panibagong branch dahil isa itong hakbang upang mas lalong umusbong ang paaralan na nasa Francisco Homes dahil ito ay maliit lamang na espasyo. Nakipagsapalaran at nagsakripisyo sila Sir at Ma'am para matustusan ang pagpapatayo ng bagong gusali at silid paaralan. Taong 2006, binuksan ang LCC sa Kaypian na pinangalan ng CBAS or College of Business Arts and Sciences Campus kasama si Ma'am Luella De Vera at Sir Sunny Alvarez sa enrollment. Ako ay nalipat sa Kaypian mula sa Francisco upang mangasiwa sa bagong campus kasama ko si Ma'am Luz Viminda Peras, Miss Chanlyn Joaquin at Miss Ana Rose Marasigan. Namigay kami ng flyers buong summer kasama si Sir Magpantay. Maraming pagsubok ang dumating na kinaya at pinagtulong-tulungan naming lahat upang makamit ang kung ano at saan ang LCC ngayon. Ngayong palaki na ng palaki ay marami na ang courses offered at may third campus pa na may covered court. Dahil sa sipag, tiyaga at determinasyon ng Board of Trustees kasama ang buong LCC family ay marami ang nagtitiwala ng mga magulang at estudyante. Ngayon, ang LCC ay isa sa pinakamurang paaralan dito sa San Jose del Monte City, Bulacan, na nakapagpatapos na ng maraming estudyante na may magagandang trabaho. Sayang at hindi na naabutan ni Sir Magpantay ang isa sa pinakamahalagang okasyon dito sa ating paaralan. Ngunit alam kong masayang-masaya na siya ngayon. We miss you, Bossing. Saludo po ako sa inyo, Bossing at Ma'am Lori at sa buong Magpantay family at sa aking mga kasamahan. Maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala sa akin. Sa awa ng poong may kapal, naka 22 years na ako sa LCC at dito nagtapos ng junior high school at senior high school ang dalawa kong anak at nag-aaral pa ang bunso ko sa grade 9. Ngayong 2023, sineselebrate natin ang ika-25th founding anniversary ng La Concepcion College Incorporated para sa ating mga mahal na mag-aaral. Naway, isa-isip at isa-puso natin ang LCC core values na leadership, competitiveness, culture of excellence. At dahil dyan, we lead, we compete, we excel, we are proud LCians. Sa lahat ng bumubuo, binabati ko kayo, congratulations! Mabuhay tayong lahat, mga LCians. Maraming salamat at God bless.
Ang araw na ito ay isa sa mga kapagkakataon ko upang makapagbalik tanaw kung kailan at paano nagsimula ang aking paglilingkod sa talubhasang paaralan ng La Concepcion. Mula sa pagiging punong guro sa naunang paaralan ng aking pinanggalingan, taong 2011, ako ay naglingkod bilang isang profesor sa kolehiyo dito sa ating paaralan. Naging profesor sa loob ng halos 4 na taon bago muling naging punong guro ng basic education sa taong 2015. Sa ilang taon paglilingkod, 3 ulit kong naipasa ang pagkakaroon ng katibayan o sertipiko ng ating paaralan mula sa Private Education Assistant Committee or PEAC. 1 taon din akong naging punong guro sa 3 departamento o sa division mula elementarya hanggang sekundarya. Nagsimula ang senior high school sa ating paaralan taong 2016, ang pagiging isang punong guro sa ating paaralan ay isang karangalan sa akin. Bagamat hindi ganong kadali ang responsibilidad na minsay masakit sa ulo at nakakapagod, nariyan pa rin ang saya at tuwa. Lalo na yung mga araw na nakikita ko ang mga mag-aaral na masaya at pinagbubutihan ang kanilang pag-aaral. Ang mga araw na kapiling at nakikita ang mga matiyatsagang guro at iba pang membro ng ating paaralan. Muli, sa ilang taon ng mahirap ngunit masayang paglilingkod, ang lahat ng aking pagod at panahon na aking nagagamit bilang batayan ko sa buhay, ang hindi pagsuko sa anumang hamon sa aking buhay. Marami akong natutunan at masasabi kong patuloy na nalinang ang aking kakayahan. Ako ay umunlad din bilang isang individual mula sa mga payo, tulong at patnubay din ng minamahal na Pangulo ng ating paaralan na si Dr. Loreto F. Magpantay. Sa matagal na panahon ng paglilingkod, dala at patuloy ng pagpapatibay ng layunin ng paaralan na pagbabago ng buhay para sa mas mahusay o mas mabuting ikaw, changing lives for the better you. At dahil dyan, ipinagmamalaki ko, ako ay LCsian. Ako, si Dr. Edwin Leoncio Saavedra, Principal of Junior and Senior High School Division ng Kaipiang Campus. I am proud LCsian.
Greetings, LCsians. Let me tell you about the remarkable story of Mr. Francisco Magpantay Sr. and Dr. Loreto F. Magpantay, two dedicated educators and leaders who established a school that offers academic programs from preschool to college courses. Their vision came to fruition in 2017 with the establishment of La Concepcion College Senior High School, which offers specialized strands in accountancy, business and management, humanities and social sciences, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and general academic strand. The school also provides a technical vocational livelihood track that includes home economics, information and communication technology, sports, arts and design, shielded metal arc welding, and electrical installation maintenance. What sets La Concepcion College apart from other schools is their commitment to providing students with opportunities to engage in extracurricular activities, such as the LCC Drum and Lyre Corps. This group promotes camaraderie, leadership, and mutual respect among its members. Members are trained to be physically active and to pursue their passion while balancing their time between academics and extracurricular activities. They take pride in creating impressive drills for events, showcasing their skills as LCsians. Through this, they have become better versions of themselves along the way and have lived up to the philosophy of La Concepcion College, changing lives for the better you. I, Ruby Jean M. Carriaga, Senior High School teacher and LCC Drum and Lyre Corps advisor, and I am proud LCsian.
As one of the children of the La Concepcion College founders, I have witnessed all the hardships, challenges, and struggles encountered by my parents in shaping La Concepcion College into what it is today. Undeniably, it is the result of their tireless labor and unwavering dedication, a lifelong dream turned into reality, fueled by my mother's determination and the support of my late father. It is a story of bravery, where they bravely conquered their fears, bravely experienced being working students, working in the morning and studying at night. During their early years, they were brave enough to start up a school with limited funds and resources, both hailing from poor families, but their backgrounds were never a hindrance of dreaming big and fulfilling their ambitions in life, because they both firmly believe that education is the key to a better future. Truly, it is a story of changing lives for the better you, with bravery as its core. As La Concepcion College celebrates its 25th founding anniversary, we commemorate all the student affairs programs that promote the concept of total student development, encapsulated in LCC's philosophy, changing lives for the better you. We are committed to providing an environment that nurtures personal, social, emotional, and organizational growth through active participation in student activities. Our continuous planning, implementation, evaluation, and support of programs and services are aimed at meeting the diverse needs of our students. LCC strongly encourages student engagement in school activities and invites them to join recognized student organizations that complement their formal education. These organizations provide substantial experiences, foster productivity, and encourage creative endeavors through co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Recognized student organizations have proven to have a significant impact on the overall student experience, from the main governing body, LCC Student Supreme Council, to the various collegiate student organizations, such as BSBA Society, Elite Lingua Blazers, Criminology Student Council, Educare Inter-Society, Junior Philippines Institution of Civil Engineering, Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, and many more. The Student Affairs Office plays a crucial role in developing good moral character and personal discipline among LCC students. We consistently enforce discipline by adhering to provisions outlined in the Student Handbook, promoting discipline in a shared responsibility among members of the LCC community. Over the years, La Concepcion College takes pride in offering scholarships and grants, which aligns with the founder's vision of supporting all LCC students as agents of national development. We provide various forms of financial assistance to deserving and underprivileged students, including the Student Assistance Program, Study Now, Pay Later Program, Fund for Assistance to Private Education, or so-called FAPE, and the Varsity Program for Sports. We dedicated to the continuous implementation of scholarship and financial assistance programs. Remaining faithful to our vision, mission, La Concepcion College envisions itself in its 25th year of existence as an accredited academic institution that surpasses standards and empowers its students and stakeholders to realize their full potential. We strive to be agents of positive change, not just for our country and nation, but also for the ASEAN region. Our long-term objectives revolve around the improvement of key strategic areas, including LCCian identity, instruction, research, school facilities, student services, culture and sports, administration, human resources, information technology, alumni linkages, community linkages, and growth and expansion. As La Concepcion College commemorates its 25th founding anniversary, we reflect on the remarkable journey of our founders and unwavering determination. We embrace their legacy of bravery, dedication, and the belief in the transformative power of education. Looking ahead, we continue to empower our students, ignite their passions, and create a brighter future. Together, we shape lives and inspire change. I, Minerva F. Magpantay, Vice President for Student Affairs and the BSBA Program Head. And I am proud LCCian.
I am Janet Caralipio de Lima, the Program Head of the Criminology Division at La Concepcion College. The La Concepcion College is a unique community that brings together diverse individuals
to help them develop their full potential. Each person plays a crucial role in molding and shaping the characters of our students, aligning with the school's mission and vision of leadership, competitiveness, and culture of excellence. These core values prepare our students to become leaders in their chosen careers. When I started teaching as a full-time criminology instructor in 2011, our classrooms were located on the 3rd floor of Kaytian Campus Building. At that time, we were just beginning to establish the reputation of criminology in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. We had only 6 sections from the 1st year to the 4th year, and now, in 2023, we have a total of 22 sections with 1,102 enrolled students. Over the years, our division has continued to grow, and now, one of the largest courses in the La Concepcion College in terms of student population. The performance of our students in academics, extracurricular activities, and community outreach program showcases their readiness to apply the skills, knowledge, and wisdom they have acquired in our institution. Many of our graduates are successfully pursuing their dreams and applying what they have learned in their chosen professions. Our track record in the school's performance in the criminologist licensure examination are a testament to our dedication. As the head of the criminology division, along with my competent faculty members, we're committed to changing lives for the better you. Once again, I am Janet Caralipio de Lima, head of LCC Criminology Division, and I am proud LCCian.
The humble beginning of La Concepcion College started in 2009 through the TESDA program. In that year, the following programs were applied for and are as follows: Computer Programming NC4 under Computer Studies, Shielded Metal Arc Welding NC2 or SMAW under the Metals and Engineering sector, Food and Beverage Service NC2, Housekeeping NC2, and Commercial Cooking C2 under the Tourism sector. La Concepcion College had to comply with the registration requirements before offering a program. Once all requirements were completed, the institution received the Certificate of Program Registration, and the program was officially listed in the TESDA Compendium of Registered Program. Thus, La Concepcion College, as a recipient of the TESDA Scholarship, experienced increased enrollment and positive result with higher employment rates. They also offered 2-year vocational program under TESDA, such as Hotel and Restaurant Services, Computer Programming to ensure quality for both providers and trainer as part of their mandate. La Concepcion College envisioned a vibrant, quality Tibet technical vocational education and training for decent work and sustainable inclusive growth. This overarching theme is the rallying cry that drives La Concepcion College to achieve its primary objectives of galvanizing and strengthening the Tibet sector through global competitiveness, workforce readiness, social equity for workforce inclusion, and poverty reduction. Furthermore, La Concepcion College offers newly registered programs such as Bookkeeping NC2, Barista NC2, and Driving NC2. Other programs are continuously striving for accreditation. Today, La Concepcion College is gaining more attention as the education sector evolves and develops with more sophistication, particularly with the implementation of the K-12 program, creating opportunities to expand Tibet capacity and performance as an education infrastructure and human capital development platform. The milestone of La Concepcion College from 2009 to 2023 reflect the challenges posed by disruption brought about by the Fourth Industrial Revolution and, of course, the COVID-19 pandemic. LCC continues to adopt different strategies for the provider and the sector as a whole to take advantage of opportunities and overcome challenges so that learners, communities, and the economy can become more resilient in the post-pandemic digital age. La Concepcion College upholds the theme of the technical vocational skills and Development Authority known as TESDA sa TESDA abot lahat LCC ang gaganap. Once again, I am Ray Robles, Hospitality Management Faculty and TESDA Accredited Competence Assessor, and I am proud LCCian.
For 25 years, La Concepcion College had been dedicated to changing lives for the better. As one of the private colleges in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, it nurtures core values of leadership, competitiveness, and a culture of excellence. Among the 9 programs offered by La Concepcion College, the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management stand out. This program aims to train students to become globally competitive, excellent-oriented, research-motivated, and technically competent leaders in their field of specialization. Since its humble beginnings with only 6 BSHRM graduates and 14 HRS in 2013, the Hospitality Management Program has experienced remarkable growth, currently accommodating student population of 1,211. In the academic year 2018-2019, the program transitioned from Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management to Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, with its first batch of graduates from class 2022 comprising 131 alumni. Our hospitality management graduates are highly regarded for their exceptional quality and competitiveness both in hotel and restaurant settings. They were taught by highly competent professors who specialize in the field of hospitality management. These professors play a crucial role in equipping them with the necessary skills and competencies to excel in the hospitality workforce, both domestically and internationally. I am Dr. Elvira V. Gabriel, Hospitality Management Division Head, and I am proud LCCian.
Mabuhay! It is my pleasure to share with you the history behind the success of the Information Technology Division of La Concepcion College. The Information Technology Division was established in 2004, formerly known as the Institute of Computer Studies, offering a 2-year TESDA course called Associate in Computer Technology. The first batch of ACT graduates was in 2006, totaling 8 graduates. In 2008, Associate in Computer Technician and Associate in Computer Secretarial programs were added to the offerings, providing additional computer-related TESDA programs. The first batch of graduates from these programs was in 2010 with a total of 28 graduates. In 2010, the Associate in Computer Technology program was renamed to 2-year Information Technology. During the same year, with the assistance of the former program head, Mr. Cerces Bon Plata, LCC introduced the 4-year degree program, Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. The first batch of graduates from this program was in 2014, with a total of 6 graduates. In 2016, the Institute of Computer Studies changed its name to Information Technology Division. During the same year, Ms. Charmaine Joy Vesagas Barrientos, the former division head, endorsed the ITIS ProTech Society, the division's first accredited student organization, to Dr. Antonio Bermudez, the former Dean of Instruction. ITIS ProTech Society is a student organization that has been granted permanent status among others. It supports the programming and technical skills of students in 2-year IT and BSIS programs. Over the years, LCC has produced skilled individuals who have entered various IT-related professions. Professor Victor Angelo Di Malanta, a graduate from batch 2014, currently serves as the IT manager at Momentum Media Australia. He is also a part-time professor at La Concepcion College. Tricky Tendenilla, who graduated in batch 2015, is currently employed as an admin apprentice in the Philippine Air Force. You can pursue a career as an IT programmer, following in the footsteps of Mr. Christian Palacio from NHK, or as a network administrator like Jones Lucky Aloyan, who works at Yodo Incorporated. If you aspire to be a software developer and engineer, take inspiration from Eugene Paul Badato at Teratomo Corporation and Randolph J. S. Tiposo at Mustard Seed Systems Corporation. Other graduates have ventured into various IT fields. For example, Paul Edward Lopos currently serves as a Package Application Development Associate, while Daniel F. Kabilangan is a Quality Engineer Team Lead at Accenture. Currently, LCC's IT division continues to produce well-equipped individuals in their respective fields. LCC continues in changing lives for the better you. I'm Luis V. Santiago, Officer in Charge of Information Technology Division. I am proud LCCian.
Greetings. On behalf of my BSBA Program Head, Professor Minerva F. Magpantay, I, Christopher De Leon Correa, the Program OIC, would like to emphasize that this 25th founding anniversary is a commemoration and not a celebration. We aim to reflect on our milestone development over the years and identify areas for growth moving forward. It is also a time for us to connect with our past history and appreciate the groundwork laid by those who came before us. We can build upon this strong foundation to reach greater heights. Allow me to share a short story of the development and improvement within our division. The BSBA division was established in 2009 with focus on human resource management development. Initially, there were only 6 students in the program, and during the first 3 years, enrollment was minimal. The BSBA Society suffered hardship to invite enrollees in such time, considering lack of faculty to teach. But despite of that, the former program head of the society teaches the BSBA professors to be more equipped in their field and give the best quality of teaching. And that leads us our edge to invite and market more enrollees. In 2011, finally, the BSBA count to 30 plus students, and in 2016, the management trusts me and give me the position of being an OIC. In that time, my only goal is to create more students, and I did not stop to think more and more planning to make BSBA successful. Moreover, in 2018, the management and Madam President Dr. Loreto F. Magpantay made the decision to offer additional majors such as financial management, human resource management, and marketing management. This marked a turning point for the BSBA division as enrollment increased to over 500 students across 3 majors. Presently, we are proud to have more than 700 students enrolled, demonstrating our commitment to excellence. The Bachelor of Science in Business Administration is a 4-year program that provides professional business and management education for aspiring entrepreneurs and those seeking careers in various business fields such as economics, finance, human capital management, and marketing. Earning a BSBA degree offers numerous benefits. The curriculum covers essential topics for effective business operation, including accounting, business communication, information literacy, and data analysis. Students will also gain insight into important issues such as diversity, ethics, and workplace dynamics, which play a crucial role in a professional setting. At La Concepcion College, the BSBA degree program equips students with a solid foundation and understanding of the business practices. It is an excellent choice for individuals interested in pursuing entry-level business management or leadership position. The BSBA degree program is available both online and on campus, providing flexibility to accommodate various schedules. Throughout the program, students will delve into various areas of finance, accounting, marketing, and management. So what are you waiting for? Become a part of LCC and join the BSBA Society. LCC and the BSBA division are committed to transforming lives, equipping you to lead, compete, and foster a culture of excellence as highly competitive individual after graduation. Once again, I am Christopher De Leon Correa, the Program OIZ of the Business Administration Division, and I am proud LCCian.
For 25 years, La Concepcion College has proven its aim to change lives for the better. As one of the private colleges here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, fostering core values of leadership, competitiveness, and culture of excellence. Among the 9 programs that La Concepcion College offers, Bachelor of Science in Psychology trains students in psychological theories and practices, human behavior, mental health conditions and cognitive processes, and research. From its humble beginnings of 7 graduates in 2015, now the psychology students has grown by 6,000%. Our psychology graduates are recognized with exceptional quality and competitiveness in both school and industrial setting, like Glenda Policarpio Pornebo, Senior High School Teacher 3 in National University, Patricia Marie N. Rodriguez, Guidance Officer in Immaculada Concepcion College, Shay Lado, HR Staff in Philippine Normal University, Amelita Antonio, HR Specialist and Product Endorser, industrial setting like Eileen Limioco as Recruiter 2 in a consulting industry, Amabella Vara, who was sent to Malaysia as the Philippines Office Representative in consultancy industry, and Jezreel Feliz Geralem, a licensed psychometrician and recruitment supervisor in a BPO company, Tony Villarojo, soon to be senior recruiter, also in BPO company, and lastly, Kimberly Cadalso, an HR specialist. They were taught by highly competent professors from the medical field, as well as from the school and industrial field, who helped equip them with the skills needed to be part of the workforce, both here and abroad. I am Maria Lourdes Santa Maria Eliazar, Psychology Division Head, and I am proud LCCian.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the program head, it is my honor to present to you the remarkable journey of the Communication Arts Division of La Concepcion College. From its humble beginnings, with just 8 students and 4 graduates, our division has blossomed into a powerhouse, producing accomplished alumni who have excelled in their chosen fields. We are steadfast in our commitment to academic excellence, passion for the arts, and unwavering dedication to student development. Throughout our history, the Communication Arts Division has achieved significant milestones that have propelled us to new heights. We made history in 2014 when the Elite Lingua Blazers became the first certified student organization in LCC, igniting a wave of growth and success. We have consistently produced top-notch performers in various categories, with our ABE students securing first place in the vocal solo and duet category. The release of our very own college newspaper, the LCC Pen, in 2015 showcased our division's commitment to fostering creativity and providing a platform for expression. This initiative continued to thrive with yet another issue in 2016, amplifying our students' voices and capturing the essence of our vibrant division. One of our proud traditions is the celebration of Language Week, where we pay homage to the rich diversity of dialects in the Philippines. Through captivating video recordings of our students and professors speaking different dialects, we showcase beauty and intricacies of our linguistic heritage. Moreover, our choir-stirring renditions of the Philippine National Anthem have resonated with audiences, leaving an indelible mark in school events. The Communication Arts Division has also triumphed in various competitions, claiming titles in Battle of the Bands, Cheer Dance, Talumpating Handa, and Talumpating Di Handa. Notably, we emerged as champions in the essay writing contest representing the Season Prisa organization. Our success extended to a higher level as we competed in Bull Prisa, securing 3rd place in the essay writing competition, 4th place in the duet category, and 3rd place in Talumpating Di Handa. In 2017, our division reached another pinnacle with the composition of LCC Hymn, a stirring anthem that encapsulates the values and ideas that define our institution. This heartfelt creation serves as a testament to our deep-rooted commitment to LCC and its enduring legacy. At the Communication Arts Division, we take immense pride in the accomplishments of our students. We are dedicated to providing them with the best education and opportunities to thrive in their future endeavors. Our diverse range of English courses encompassing linguistics and mass communication, coupled with our education units, equips our students with the necessary skills and knowledge for success. Additionally, we offer foreign language classes, including Spanish, Korean, French, and more, fostering a global perspective and expanding their horizons. As we continue our relentless pursuit of excellence, we are excited to share that a proposal is underway to transform our speech laboratory into a cutting-edge news, broadcast, and recording studio. This state-of-the-art facility will empower our students with the latest technology, enhancing their broadcasting and journalism skills. This endeavor not only benefits our students, but also enriches the entire LCC community. In conclusion, the Communication Arts Division is a testament to the power of passion, dedication, and unwavering pursuit of excellence. We invite you to join us on this remarkable journey where we inspire creativity, nurture talent, and shape the future leaders of communication industry. Together, let us continue to make waves and leave an indelible mark in the world of communication arts. Thank you, and may our collective efforts illuminate the path.
On behalf of my division head, Sir Fiel C. Martinez, I am Kelly Anbuala, the advisor of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, La Concepcion College Chapter, and a faculty member of the Accountancy Division. Currently, LCC offers the Accountancy Degree Program and the Accounting Information System Degree Program, formerly known as Accounting Technology. These programs adopt an integrated approach to the study of business and accounting concepts, exploring how the harmonization of those elements in business operations can lead to organizational success. The accountancy program at the La Concepcion College is a 5-year degree course that was introduced in 2012 with one section comprising of 9 students. The first batch of graduates, consisting of 2 students, completed their studies in 2017. In 2014, the Accounting Technology degree was offered as an alternative and shorter program within the accountancy curriculum. 7 students from the 3rd-year accountancy program opted for this path. The first batch of Accounting Technology graduates, numbering 7, completed their studies in 2016. In 2018, the program was renamed as Accounting Information System. The most recent batch of graduates from the Accounting Information System program was in 2022. The Accountancy Division currently enrolls 412 students ranging from 1st to 4th year. While accounting may be perceived as a challenging course, the Accountancy Division aims to create a conducive learning environment that encourages students to not only focus on traditional accounting subjects, but also excel in other activities. This holistic approach enhances their overall experience and enjoyment of the course. We at the Accountancy Division wholeheartedly invite aspiring CPAs, CIAs, CTPs, and other accounting professionals to join and enroll at LCC. Prepare for a rewarding and enjoyable learning journey. Mabuhay LCC! Mabuhay to all current and future LCians. Once again, I am Kelly Ann Buala, the advisor of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, La Concepcion College Chapter, and the faculty member of the Accountancy Division, and I am proud LCian.
Greetings everyone. I am Rowena Aragon, Officer in charge of the Civil Engineering Division, and it is an honor to share with you the establishment of our division on behalf of our esteemed Dean, Engineer Winifredo Gonzalez. La Concepcion College expanded its academic program in 2018, adding civil engineering to its already diverse courses. Although the program initially had only a few enrollees, it has grown exponentially with almost 1,000 students enrolled today. In May 2022, the Commission on Higher Education evaluated the division's laboratory and facilities, and LCC's administration ensured that state-of-the-art machines and pieces of equipment were available to assist students in their practical studies, meeting the highest standards, which leads to the government's recognition of the civil engineering program. Over the last 4 years, the Civil Engineering Division, through the initiative of its students and faculty, have celebrated its annual CE Week with various activities and conducted an outreach program. Today, the College of Civil Engineering has produced over 100 graduates who are equipped with knowledge and skills needed to lead, compete, and excel in the industry. I am delighted to announce that many of Batch 2022 are currently employed in construction firms and other engineering-related companies. Once again, I am Rowena Aragon, Officer in charge of Civil Engineering Division, and I am proud LCian.
Ako po si Marcos Lawingco Jr. na nagtapos sa paaralan ng La Concepcion College. First batch ng kolehiyong taon 2005-2006 sa kursong Bachelor of Elementary Education at sa aking ikalawang kurso na Bachelor of Physical Education taong 2018. Una po akong pumasok sa La Concepcion College taong 2004 at nang una akong nag-coach sa basketball sa high school at sa college level at sa unang pagkakataon po lamang ay napag-champion ko pareho ng level. Simula noong pinanganak ang LCC bilang isang kampiyon sa larangan ng sports, di man lamang sa loob ng San Jose del Monte, pati na rin sa labas ng ating syudad, simula sa taong 2004 hanggang 2016, ay namayagpag ang La Concepcion College sa larangan ng basketball at sa iba pang sports. At sa taong kasalukuyan, ay patuloy na nanunumbalik ang sigla ng ating sports. Ako rin po ang na-elect bilang officer, athletic chairman ng PRISCA at ang season PRISCA taong 2002-2004. Ilan sa mga achievements ay ang mga sumusunod 2004 at 2010 PRISCA officer, sports chairman, at 2011 at 2022 season PRISCA sports chairman, magpasa hanggang ngayon. Naimbitahan bilang isang coach ng LGU sa ating syudad ng San Jose del Monte at chairman ng Department of Education Basketball Representation at CSJDM 2018-2022. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Sintang Paaralan dahil sa mga unang natulungan sa nakatapos ng kolehiyo. Kaya naman, pinagmamalaki ko na ako ay isang certified LCian at binabati ko ang ating mahal na paaralan na ika-25 founding anniversary. I am Marcos S. Lawingco Jr., Sports Coordinator, full-time professor and sports head coach. I'm a proud LCian.